हेलो बच्चों, आज हम इस वीडियो में ABCD लिखना और पढ़ना सीखेंगे। A
Do you know the Muffin Man? The
B
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin
C
Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin
D
Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know
E
the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
F G H
Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin
I
Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin
J
Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know
K
the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
L
Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
M N O
Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin
P
Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on
Q
Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin
R
Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury
S
Lane.
T U V W X Y Z